everybody, welcome back to Info Island. So just a quick question to you guys. Are you guys still using mouse for getting all the work done and using keyboard just for the sake of typing name and numbers? Well, not anymore. Here we have come up with the video for you guys to gain the knowledge of some of the best, almost all the shortcut keys that will make your job easier with the help of your keyboard itself. So let's start the video and help you become masters in using these shortcut keys. So let's begin with Microsoft Excel first. Microsoft Excel is extensively used across the globe to store and analyze data, despite various new data analytics tools in the market. Excel remains the go-to product for working with data. It has numerous inbuilt features which makes it easier for you guys to organize your data. The shortcut keys in Excel help you work on your data in a jiffy. In this video, we will be discussing the various Excel shortcuts. These keyboard shortcuts are used to perform tasks faster and effectively. So what is Microsoft Excel? Although many of you are already aware of Excel, let's have a small introduction anyways. Microsoft Excel is an application developed by Microsoft that is used to record, analyze, and visualize data. Excel, a spreadsheet application, was developed by Microsoft in 1985. So what is the need of shortcut keys? To perform the task quickly, Excel has a set of shortcuts. Various operations can be achieved with a few simple keyboard strokes. So now let's dive deep into the Excel shortcuts that can help us work better on an Excel spreadsheet. Well, there is no doubt in saying that computers have become a very important part of daily life. So if you are a frequent computer user, then you must know that the keyboard shortcut keys are very important in today's world. Basically, a computer shortcut is a set of one or more keys that invoke a command in software or an operating system. So you can increase your productivity by invoking commands with a few keystrokes. Otherwise, it will be accessible only through a menu, a mouse, or... So guys, let's begin with some of the workbook shortcut keys. In order to create a new workbook, you can use Ctrl+N. In order to open an existing workbook, you can use Ctrl+O. In order to save a workbook or your spreadsheet, you can use Ctrl+S. In order to close the current workbook, you can use Ctrl+W. If you wish to close the Excel file, you can use Ctrl+F4. In order to move to the next sheet, you can use Ctrl+page down. In order to move to the previous sheet, you can use Ctrl+page up. To go to the Data tab, you can use Alt+A. To go to the View tab, you can use Alt+W. To go to the Formula tab, you can use Alt+M. Next, in order to edit a cell, you can use the function key F2. In order to copy and paste cells, you can use Ctrl+C to copy the cells and Ctrl+V to paste the cells. Next is to italicize and make the font bold. So again, in order to italicize the cells, you can use Ctrl+I, and in order to make the cells font bold, you use Ctrl+D. Next, to center align cell contents, you can use Alt+H+A+C. Next is to fill in the colors, you can use Alt+H+H. Okay, so the next is to add a border, you can use Alt+H+B. In order to remove the outline border, you can use Control plus Shift plus underscore key. Next is to add an outline to the selected cells. You can use Control plus Shift plus the symbol of and. Next, in order to move to the next cell, you can use the Tab key. Next, in order to move to the previous cell, you can use Shift plus Tab. Next in line is to select all the cells on the right. You can use Control plus Shift plus right arrow button. Next, if you wish to select all the cells on the left side of the corner, then you should use Control plus Shift plus left arrow button. Next, in order to select the column from the selected cell to the end of the table, you can use Control plus Shift plus down arrow button. Next, if you wish to select all the cells above the selected cells, then use Control plus Shift plus up arrow button. Next, if you wish to select all the cells below the selected cell, then use Control plus Shift plus down arrow button. Okay guys, so it was all about the shortcut keys of Microsoft Excel. Now let's begin with Microsoft Word. So what is Microsoft Word? A Microsoft Word is used to make professional quality documents, letters, reports, etc. MS Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It has advanced features which allow you to format and edit your files and documents in the best possible way. So let's begin with some of the shortcut keys of Microsoft Word. So the very first is Control plus A. If you wish to select all the contents of the page, you can definitely use Control plus A. Next, if you wish to bold the highlighted selection, you can use Control plus B. If you wish to copy the selected text, you can use Control plus C. Next, if you wish to cut the selected text, you can use Control plus X. If you wish to open a new or a blank document, you can use Control plus N. Next is Control plus O. If you wish to open options, you can use Control plus O. If you wish to open the print window, you can use Control plus P. Next is Control plus F, which is used in order to open the find box. As in, if you wish to search for anything, you can use Control plus F to look out for something that you were looking for. Next is Control plus I, which is used to italicize the highlighted selection. And next is Control plus K, which is used to insert link. Next we have Control plus U, which is used to underline the highlighted selection. Next is Control plus V, which is used to paste the contents or the cells you have. Next is Control plus Y, which is to redo the last action performed. Next is, if you wish to undo the last action performed, you can use Control plus Z. Next is Control plus G, which is used to find and replace options. Next shortcut key we have is Control plus H, which is used to find and replace options. Next in line we have Control plus J, which is used to justify the paragraph alignment. Next, if you wish to align the selected text or line to the left side of the page, you can use Control plus L. Next is Control plus Q, which can be used to align the selected paragraph to the left side of the page. Next is Control plus E, which can be used to align the selected text or line to the center. Next we have is Control plus R, which is used to align the selected text or line to the right side of the page. Next, if you wish to indent the paragraph, you can simply use Ctrl plus M. Next shortcut key is Ctrl plus T, which is to hanging indent. Next is Ctrl plus D, which is available for various font options available. Next, if you wish to change the font, you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus F. Okay guys, so it was all about some of the shortcut keys of Microsoft Word. Now let's begin with Microsoft Outlook. So what is Microsoft Outlook? Microsoft Outlook is the preferred email client used to send and receive emails by accessing Microsoft Exchange Server email. Outlook also provides Access Contact, email calendar, and task management features. Now let's look out for some of the Microsoft Outlook shortcut keys. So the very first key is Ctrl plus N, that can be used to create a new message or a calendar event. Next, if you wish to open selected message in a new window, you can use Shift plus Enter. Next, if you wish to delete any message or any item, you can use the delete button. Next is Ctrl plus F, which can be used to forward the message. Next, if you wish to go to the calendar, you can use Ctrl plus 2. Next in line, we have Ctrl plus Shift plus R, which can be used to select the reply all option. Next, if you wish to reply to an email message, as in a single email message, you can use Ctrl plus R. Next, if you wish to send email message, you can use Ctrl plus Enter. Next, if you wish to open split buttons, you can use Alt plus down arrow key button. Next, if you wish to copy your selection to the clipboard, you can use Ctrl plus C. Next is Ctrl plus X. So if you wish to cut the text you have selected previously, you can use Ctrl plus X key. If you wish to delete the selected text or characters to the left side of the cursor, you can use backspace button. Next, if you wish to delete the word to the left of the cursor but not the space before the word, you can use Ctrl plus backspace. Next, if you wish to insert a hyperlink, you can use Ctrl plus K. Next key available is Ctrl plus V, that can be used to paste the content from the clipboard into the current location. Next is Ctrl plus Y, which can be used in order to repeat the most recent action. Next, if you wish to reverse the most recent action, you can use Ctrl plus Z. Next is to apply bold formatting, you can use Ctrl plus B. Next, if you wish to apply italic formatting, you can use Ctrl plus I. Next is to underline the text, you can use Ctrl plus U. Okay, so the next is, if you wish to collapse the selected section, you can use the left arrow key. If you wish to expand the selected action, you can use right arrow key button. If you wish to delete the selected message, you can use the delete button. Next is Ctrl plus Q, which can be used in order to mark the selected conversation or message as read. Next is Ctrl plus U, which can be used to mark the selected conversation or message as unread. So it was all about the shortcut keys of Microsoft Outlook. Now let's begin with Microsoft Access. So before going ahead, let's know what Microsoft Access is all about. Microsoft Access is a well-known database management system produced by Microsoft and is part of the Microsoft 365 Office suite. Microsoft Access combines Microsoft's relational JET database engine with software development tools and a graphic user interface. Now let's get into Microsoft Access shortcut keys. So the very first key is Alt plus F, which can be used to go to the file menu. The next is Alt plus H, which can be used to go to the home tab. Next, if you wish to go to the create tab, you can simply use Alt plus C. Next, if you wish to go to the external data tab, you can use Alt plus X or Alt plus X with a number 1. Next, if you wish to go to the database tools tab, you can simply use Alt plus Y with the number 2 in it. Next shortcut key is Alt plus J with the letter T, which can be used to go to the table tab. Next, if you wish to go to the add-ins tab, if present in there, you can simply use Alt plus X with a number 2 in it. Now, in order to go to the tell me box on the ribbon, you can use Alt plus Q. Next, if you wish to open a new database, you can use Control plus N. Next, if you wish to open an existing database, you can use Control plus O or Control plus function key F12. Next, if you want to open the selected folder or file, you can simply use the enter button. If you wish to open the folder one level above the selected folder, you can simply use the backspace button. If you wish to delete the selected folder or any file, you can use the delete button. If you wish to display a shortcut menu for a selected item such as a folder or a file, you can use Shift plus function key F10 or the Windows menu key. Next, if you want to move forward through options, you can use the tab key. The next key is Shift plus tab, which can simply be used in order to move backward through options. Next, if you want to open the looking list, you can use the function key F4 or Alt plus I. Next, if you want to save a database object, you can use Control plus S or Shift plus function key F12. Next, if you wish to open the Save As dialog box, you can use the function key F12 or Alt plus F along with a letter S. Now the next key is F6, the function key F6, which is used in order to move the focus to a different pane of the window. Next, if you wish to open an existing database, you can use Control plus O or Control plus function key F12. Next key is F11, which can be used to show or hide the navigation pane. Next is F4, which can be used to show or hide a property sheet. Next, if you wish to go to the tell me box on the ribbon, you can use Alt plus Q and then enter the search term. Next, if you wish to display the shortcut menu for the selected item, you can use Shift plus F10 or the Windows menu key. Okay guys, so it was all about some of the important shortcut keys of Microsoft Office related to MS Excel, MS Word, MS Outlook and MS Access. Hope you guys found it useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Info Island and spread the video among all of your friends and family